Kapatid, kung sobrang broke ka ngayon, as in, wala ka pambayad, wala kang ipon, at halos wala ka ng pag-asa, ang question, anong dapat mong gawin? Well, ang sagot, ito mismo ang gagawin ko kung ako ay broke ngayon. Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. May mga nagsasabing, ay nako, meron bang forever? Sabi ko, well, sa pag-ibig, malamang, pero pagiging broke, wala. Yung mga ibang kakilala ko, ay nako, tagal na akong broke. Alam mo, ito lang sabihin ko sa yung reality. Kung wala kang gagawin, forever na talagang mahihirapan ka. Kaya nga para sa mga taong nahihirapan, which I used to be in that situation, matagal din ako naging broke, no? I would like to share with you exactly what did I do step by step so para ako nakawala sa kahirapan. Okay, so ready na kayo? Please, I suggest na kung matagal na kayo nakasubscribe, and maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe po sa channel na ito, and not only subscribe, member na rin po, congratulations. I want you to get a piece of paper and so that you can take down notes. Baka makatulong to sa inyo. Okay, number one, ang ginawa ko, I fix my mindset. Pag ako ay broke ngayon, I will really fix my mindset. Bago ko ayusin ang wallet ko, ayusin ko muna yung paano ko mag-isip. Everything that happens on the outside is only a reflection of what's happening in the inside. Kung broke ako sa labas, ibig sabihin broke ako sa loob. Kaya nga, always remember, your money follows your mindset. If you have a poor financial situation right now, probably you have a poor way of thinking. Check natin mindset mo. Yun na, wala na, tapos na talagang malas lang talaga ako. Wala na talaga akong pag-asa. Lahat ginawa ko na. O guess what? You're right. Hindi ka talaga aasenso. Pero kung ang mindset mo ay temporary lang to, makakabangon din ako. Hindi ako talaga susuko. Alam mo, you give yourself the permission to try again. That's the first thing that I'm going to fix. I'm going to fix my mindset. Diba? And that's the reason why it's very important for you to read books, watch videos just like this, associate yourself with successful people. Kung mabibigyan kita ng chance to be with me on a monthly basis, group coaching tayo, will you be interested? Type interested if you are. And if you are, later on, I will tell you kung paano tayo magsasama sa group coaching. Step number 2 na tayo. Right now, aside from changing my mindset, kung broke ako ngayon, I will stop the bleeding. Ang ibig sabihin ng stop the bleeding, parang ano yan, pag nasugatan ka, hindi blood transfusion ang sagot. Pag nagba-blood transfusion ka lang, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang agos ng dugo. Pag ikaw may utang ka, kapos ang income mo, hindi utang ang solusyon. Bakit? Pag nangutang ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang agos. Ang kailangan, pag ikaw may sugat, di ba, malakas ang agos ng ano, ito tourniquet mo, you stop the bleeding. Likewise, di ba, kung broke ka ngayon, kailangan, i-check mo na. Ano yung mga expenses that's really affecting you na hindi mo napapansin that cause the bleeding? Like ito, guys, ito yung mga very practical and simple way. Eating out. Alam naman natin, when you eat at restaurant, may tubo yan. Mas mataas yan. And then, if not naman, yung mga favorite natin na binibili pa, 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 200 pesos a day, lagi mo na sa 100 a day na yung mga inom, kain na hindi naman talaga kailangan, pwede ka naman magbaon. 100 times 20 days, 2,000 a month. Kung 20 days ka nagtatrabaho, 2,000 a month times 20 days, that's 24,000 a year na mas save mo. And then third, yung mga pa-add to cart po natin. Again, I'm telling you this dahil nahihirapan ka. You're saying that you are broke. Pero ito yung mga maliliit na mga bagay. Kaya nga suggestion ko, focus muna on the needs, not on the wants. Cut muna natin yan. Stop the bleeding. Step number 3. Ito yung gagawin ko pag ako ay broke ngayon. Aside from changing my mindset, aside from cutting down on unnecessary expenses, I will sell. The fastest way to raise money is magbenta. Remember, when I was broke, when I was age 12, nagbenta ako ng toilet paper, nagbenta ako ng pants, nagbenta ako ng shoes, nagbenta ako ng laruan. Lahat, kinenta ko na. Nagigets nyo? Kaya ikaw mismo, baka meron kang mga items na pwede mong ibenta. Damit na hindi mo ginagamit, appliances na sobra-sobra, sapatos mo na hindi mo na susuot. Everything you don't need, benta mo. Bakit? Because cash is oxygen when you are broke. Make sense? Pagka-type, make sense. Gusto mo bang mag-start ng negosyo pero natatakot ka? Good news! Stop guessing and start running your business with clarity. Get access to Negosyo GPT powered by my proven business frameworks. Kung gusto niyo makakuha ng access, alam niyo dapat niyo gawin? Click the link below or type Nego GPT. So, isa pang gagawin ko, let's go another idea. Step number 4, ang gagawin ko pag broke ako ngayon, kung wala ko ibebenta, ang ibebenta ko sarili ko. Ha? Paano ibibenta yung sarili mo? I will monetize a skill that I'm good at. Maghanap ka ng isang bagay na ikaw lang nakakagawa and then you can get paid as soon as possible. Question, marunong ka ba mag-edit? Offer editing, marunong ka ba magluto? Magbenta ka ng food, marunong ka ba mag-tutor? Pwede kang mag-online tutor. May motor ka ba? Pwede kang mag-deliver. Marunong ka ba mag-design? Create logos and layouts. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Kailangan mo maging productive. Agree? Sometimes we overthink eh. Overthink, wala naman, baka walang mangyari. Ito na nga, na-negative ka na. Kaya nga, maghanap ka ng isang bagay na pwede mo na gawin para ikaw kumita agad. Para makalabas ka. Are you learning so far? If you are learning so far, type learning sa comment section. Grabe. Step number 5, pag ako ay broke ngayon, ang itong gagawin ko, I will work overtime on value, not hours. Ha? Ano ibig mo sabihin, Chinky? Kung broke ako ngayon, hindi ako maghahanap ng trabaho. Maghahanap ako ng value. And when you say value, you cannot exchange time for money. People don't pay you more for your time. They pay you more for the value. So tanungin ko na yung sarili ko ngayon, what can I do na talagang valuable that people are willing to do today? Pay for my services. Di ba kung ang halaga mo, like for example, ang halaga mo ay pwede kang magbigay ng parang consultancy. Pag nagbibigay ka ng consultancy, hindi per hour na ang bayad sa'yo. Ang bayad sa'yo, naka-package na yan. Or if not naman, may mga iba, VAs, they get paid by the hours. Ang pwede mong gawin, manage mo na yung buong project. So, ang charging mo, it's not per hour, it's per project basis based on the value and the output. And then, pag nakita mo na yung niche mo, kung saan ka magaling, na binabayaran kang paulit-ulit, then I will do it over and over again. Grabe. Woo! Are you still here with me? Gusto nyo bang tapusin na natin to or magpa-part 2 tayo? Pakitype sa comment section. Pakitype. O, tapusin na daw. Let's do 2 more, okay? Medyo mahaba-haba lang to session, bear with me. Step number 6 ang gagawin ko, if I'm broke right now, I will build an emergency fast and ASAP. Kapag kumita ka lang, unang goal mo, hindi cellphone, hindi travel, hindi bagong sapatos, emergency fund. Kasi ayoko na bumalik ka sa pagiging broke. Diba? Start ka muna with 1,000. Pagkatapos yan, 5,000 pesos, 10,000. Then 1 month salary ang dapat mong ipunin. Oo, bakit? Just in case na may mangyari, may isang buwan ka na itatawid ka from 1 month to 2 months to 3 months to 6 months and more. Alam mo, ito lang, money is not just security. It's really giving you also stability. And for me, last but not the least, and the most important, alam mo, para sa akin, pag ako ay broke ngayon, ano gagawin ko? I will learn and invest in myself. Because ako ang gagawa ng opportunity. Ako ang gagawa ng pera. Nagigets mo? Pag wala kang alam, napakahirap. Hindi mo makakuha to sa sipag at syaga. Invest in learning. Knowledge can give you ideas and ideas can help you create wealth. Kaya nga, never underestimate. Read books. I'm a reader of book. I joined courses. As a matter of fact, I just came from New York and invested 6 digits, almost 7 digits, pagkasama na yung mga hotels and everything, just for me to learn. And I have mentors like Francis Kong who helps me, and I acquire new skills. Especially right now, ang pinaka-importanting skill na natutunan ko, na kailangan kong matutunan is AI skills. And eventually, pag may pera na ako, which, kunyari, pag wala, hindi ka na broke, so learn how to invest in opportunity that allows you to make money while you are sleeping. So, slowly but surely, hindi biglaan na, walang get-rich-quick scheme to. So again, let's summarize. What would you do? And I do if I'm broke. Number 1, I will fix my mindset. Number 2, I'll stop the bleeding. Number 3, I'll find a skill that I can monetize fast. Number 4, I will focus on value, not on hours. Number 5, I will build an emergency fund. And then number 6, I will invest in myself. Woo! Nagustuhan nyo ba tong session na ito? Type gusto sa comment section kung nagustuhan nyo. Alam mo, being broke is not your identity. Being broke is a wake-up call. Hindi ka natalo kapag wala kang pera. Natatalo ka lang kung nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa. So if you're watching this video, ang ibig sabihin na tinapos mo to, may pag-asa ka pa. Kaya nga, I would like to encourage you to subscribe on this video. Subscribe na sa channel na ito. Huwag kang patagalin. Marami ka makukunan dito. Maniwala ka. At if you find this valuable, i-share mo naman to sa friend mo. Mga talagang medyo nawawalan ng pag-asa at broke din. So, there you have it, mga ka-friendship. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope that I have inspired you, guided you. Again, maraming salamat. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina, ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.